Good morning. Getting ready to sort through some clothes and get some laundry started. Hope y'all having a good day so far. So today is Monday. Happy Monday. Hope you all are pumped and ready to get started. It's a new week. Top of a new month. What is it? The 3rd. And it's Black History Month. Yay! Anybody excited for Black History Month? Anybody making any cool desserts or giving speeches, participating in plays? Anything exciting? I wish I was. Instead, I get to participate with you all from home. That's fun too, right? And be history in the making. I mean, what's better than that? Sorting through laundry. Oh, y'all see me putting stuff up to my nose. I don't know why I do stuff like that. Bad habits. It's real foggy outside. I don't know if y'all can see. Real foggy. I have so much laundry that need to be done. It's ridiculous. So much laundry. And I wash clothes every week. That's the thing I don't understand. But let me sort through this stuff and I'll get back with y'all. This stack of laundry is taller than me at this point, almost. Ridiculous. Gotta get to that. Last load of the day going into the dryer. Hope y'all having a fantastic, fantabulous, marvelous day. Did you get faded? No, you did not. See, girl, I know how to get me a laundry concoction together. It took me some time to figure it out, but I think I got it down pat. I know a lot of y'all girlies use like Tide and stuff. What do y'all use? Do y'all use whatever y'all use on your clothes and towels and things? Do you use it on your undies or like your towels and undies, your intimate things that go like on your actual body, bare skin? Do y'all use a different solution for those things or no? I'm over here just showing my underwear off to the camera. To get faded. We got to figure out a bra. A bra for you. I'm just shaking everything out. Got a few more items in here. And I'll be done. How was y'all's day? Did y'all have a good day today? I'm curious to know. I look like somebody auntie over here. I am somebody auntie. Girl, what am I talking about? Definitely somebody's auntie. Somebody's auntie. Okay. Now, I am putting on 80 minutes. I put the dryer on 80 minutes. We're gonna let my clothes do what they do. We're gonna let my clothes do what they do. I'm probably about to make a set of press-ons or something in between time, but I really just need a moment of like quiet, y'all. I feel like I've been overloading my brain, which is crazy because it ain't like I've been doing trigonometry or nothing. I just feel overwhelmed right now. So when I feel like this, I like to watch something relaxing on TV or like, you know, just do something to ease my mind. And I don't know if I'm gonna like this because my hair look real big at the top. I don't know. We about to see. I be forgetting to throw that leg out, girl. When I do this angle, throw that leg out. Love the week. Activate your hip. Gotta activate that hip. Hip activation is a must. Look at my lines. All right, y'all. So I just got a little symphony from the puppies back there. They said, "Roo, roo, 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 roo." So, I probably stay out here a little bit long. Look at that sunlight. It's just hitting on top of that. I think this is like Cajun or something like that. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. I dyed this thing a long time ago. And then I think anyway, that's irrelevant. Very beautiful color. Love it. I would love to have my hair colored. I still have the dye, which I probably shouldn't use. I wonder if I should dye my real hair this color. Do y'all like this color? I mean, should I dye my natural hair this color? I don't know. I've been thinking about trying that kaleidoscope, okay? Don't play with it. Do not knock it before you try it. I think she has like a wax dye, hair dye. And I think you can rinse it out. It's like a temporary dye. I would love to try. I went to Walmart looking. I didn't know they had kaleidoscope at Walmart, first of all. But went into Walmart and saw that she had a whole section for her kaleidoscope product. And I was just telling grandma about the fact that, you know, I had just watched her on TikTok. Because, you know, her and Brad do their TikToks. Judy and Brad. And I looked and searched and could not find the dyes. All they had was like shampoos, conditioners, oils. I think they had like foams, stuff like that, but they didn't have the dye just yet. I don't know if they're gonna get it, but if it ever comes to dealing Walmart, if it ever touches down, I will have that dye. I will have me some kaleidoscope. Yes. Because I think it's like non-toxic. It's like a non-toxic dye for like for the natural girls. So anything that's, you know, healthier for your hair and convenient, I'm all for it. But yeah, so Walmart, what y'all doing at Walmart? Like, please get the kaleidoscope wax dye or the dye in the can by Judy them. By Kaleidoscope them. Get the dye, okay? Because I know a lot of the natural girlies around the way would love to just have it. Oh, anywho, so I'm bathing in the sun for right now. About to wrap it up. I'll be cooking dinner soon. I don't know if y'all want to see that or not. I don't know if I'm going to post this or not, but it feels so good to be alive. It feels so good to be alive, y'all, to be outside and to have a brain. Wind is blowing still. I'm feeling like somebody. Feeling real cunty. Real cunty. Feeling real cunt. Feeling real cunt. Feeling real, hold on. Feeling real cunt with the bang in the front. Feeling real cunt. Real country. Okay, do not play with me. Real country. Yeah. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. It's me, Poe, and I am here to give a lip tutorial. Hope all is well out there in the internet world. I'm thinking about going like burgundy today, something deep for some reason. And then look, something in me feel like it's gonna drown me out. But get into that. My hands are very ashy per usual. Y'all don't judge me. Let me fix that. I'm back. I've moisturized my hands. Look at how my hands are healing up, y'all. I made a video earlier, like last week, where I was talking about how my hands were like pretty dry, and they had started to split, y'all. For some odd reason, they started splitting like sausages. You know how you like put a sausage in a like boiled sausage and the skin starts splitting open? My hands started to do that, and I'm not sure if it's because of that. I was washing them quite often or what it was, but I had some like bruises or scars, like cuts and tears, micro tears. Well, I'm not sure if, well, yeah, some micro. I guess you would consider them macro. But yes, like tears in my flesh because my hands were too dry, I assume. And I put some vitamin E oil on them, and this is how they're healing. It was really mainly just this one hand. So I guess it's because it's my dominant hand, and when I'm going in to wash, I'm like, maybe I'm washing my right hand like more diligently. I don't know, but caused quite a stir in my life. Caused quite a stir. Scared me a bit. So let me see. What's the same? What is this? I'm trying to figure out what lip combination I want to do. I want to do a lipstick for sure. And I've been feeling like this deep burgundy. So maybe I should just go ahead in with her. That deep burgundy. As for my pencil, you know what I wish? I wish that I could do digging. Oh, maybe it's because of how I'm sitting too. Again, I be okay. Oh, I have this as well. Is this matte? It's matte. Oh no, it's the point gloss. I may have to use that on top of it. I'm just looking at the products that I have, y'all. I be trailing off. I gotta get used to talking to y'all and not to me and everybody else in my head. So I'm gonna do this brown. I really don't. I wish that I could do my lips and perfect it without the line, like how the girls will take a brush and just apply the lipstick as the line around the perimeter and then go in with the lipstick. But for some reason, I haven't been able to master that technique just yet. So, I'm going to go with what I know. I got to be careful how I'm twisting up my face as well, because that's been a topic this morning. How I hold my face. I'll be having discussions, okay, some kind of discussions with self. Just trying to figure it out, honey. Just trying to figure it out, so let's see. And I feel like I'm underlining. I feel like my line should be on top of where you see it. I know a lot of people will overline to give a fuller appearance. I like that technique too. Got my line on. What's up? And then I got this lipstick. I ain't worn a stick of lip in so long. This is actual mauve. You know what? I called one of them glosses I had the other day mauve. This is mauve, as the bottle states. It's mauve. So I'm going in with mauve. This is probably like beauty supply store. It's not focusing. Girl, it won't even pick it up. Anyway, yeah, I probably got this from like the beauty supply store or something. Alright, so I'm about to go in. Oh, I really wish I had some moisture on the bottom. And I hope it doesn't date me. Hopefully it'll give me like a mature. Cause I ain't a spring chicken, but I give spring chicken vibes for sure. I mean, my birthday is in the spring, so there's that. I guess I'm just lively in that manner. Still. And ta-da! We have our look. It's very subtle. I think I want to darken my line just a tad. Ooh, I hate when I do this because that was quick. That was quick. And here's the finished product. I be sounding so preppy. Bye, y'all.